All right, in other news tonight, a new blood test could make diagnosing Alzheimer's faster, easier, and less expensive.
News 8's Kyle Mitchell is in studio with the impact that this could have for patients.
Brian and Amber, the test is in clinical trials, but is showing promising results with a 91% accuracy rate.
A cutting-edge blood test has the Michigan chapter of the Alzheimer's Association hopeful for the future.
It's definitely a game changer in terms of how we look at diagnosing Alzheimer's.
The president and CEO just recently attended the organization's national conference that spoke about how the test works by detecting tau protein in the blood.
Tau protein is an early marker of Alzheimer's. The presence of elevated levels of tau will likely lead to the development of plaques in your brain, and that is one of the hallmarks of the disease.
The blood test could be ordered by a primary care physician, making the process much easier than other detection methods.
You can find plaques in a brain by doing a brain scan. You can also find those elevated levels of the tau protein in cerebral spinal fluid.
Tests could also indicate tau protein before memory loss has turned severe.
And possibly before you even have any symptoms, so that we can utilize the new treatments that are out.
Advancements in treatments can also help slow the progression of the virus.
People that are in the earlier stages have an opportunity to benefit from those treatments that they would not at a later stage. They're not approved for treatments at middle stage or later.
Leopard says the effectiveness of those new early treatments can make a significant impact on quality of life.
That makes a huge difference for people who maybe 6 to 12 months will have a higher level of cognition than they would have without the drug.
The discovery from researchers in Sweden are giving more hope to families and patients as the test moves closer to being readily available.
Are we talking about everybody that goes to the doctor's office for routine physical now is also getting a test for tau? Or are we talking about only based on certain symptoms, only people of a certain age? So there's a lot of debate going on, but it is going to be available very, very soon.
The association says early diagnosis can also increase the number of patients able to participate in research looking for a cure. Amber.